Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the Pine editor in Tradingview, even if you have no coding experience. The Pine editor is where we can create, edit, and test custom indicators and strategies. Once we understand the basics, it opens up a whole new level of flexibility on Tradingview. Let's get started. First, open any chart on Tradingview. For example, we have opened one here. At the right side of the screen, click on the Pine editor. This opens the coding window on the right side of your chart. If you have never used it before, don't worry. Tradingview already gives us a sample code to work with. Now, let's look at what we are seeing. On the bottom is the code editor. This is where we write or paste Pine script code. At the top, we see buttons like Add to Chart, Save, and Publish. To test something quickly, we can start with a built-in example. At the top of the Pine editor, click the untitled script, then hover to create new, and then click built-in. Select an example you like. This is the easiest way for beginners to learn how Pine script works. Once the code is loaded, click Add to Chart. If the script has no errors, the indicator will immediately appear on your chart. If there is an error, Tradingview will highlight it and show you what needs to be fixed, like this. Now let's talk about editing the script. We can change values like periods, colors, or conditions directly in the code. After making any change, click Add to Chart again to apply the update. This instant feedback makes Pine Editor great for learning and experimenting. Next, let's cover the difference between indicators and strategies. Indicators are used for analysis. They display signals, lines, and alerts. Strategies, on the other hand, can simulate trades and show results in the strategy tester. We know it's a strategy if the code starts with the word strategy instead of indicator. Now, a few important tips for beginners. Always save your script after making changes by clicking Save, or you will lose your work. Use comments in the code to stay organized as scripts get longer. Common mistakes include forgetting to re-add scripts after editing, copying outdated Pine script versions, and expecting strategies to reflect real-world trading perfectly. Recap: open the Pine editor, load a built-in script, click Add to Chart, edit carefully, and save often. Once we get comfortable with Pine Editor, Tradingview becomes much more powerful and customizable.